Kia ora, my name is Wiley. I am a mama, I am a musician, and I am an emerging creative arts therapist based in Avondale and Taamaki Makaurau. And this is my Ka Mua Ka Muri.
I heard you got the flows, I respect your dues. You and me, we kick it for a rhyme or two. Talking about the people in the daily news. I just wanna get to know you, what you wanna do. Kick it with me, man, we could jam all night. You can hold the rhythm if you rock me right, ayy. I just wanna know you, what you wanna do. You the type of cat to get me in the mood, ooh, yeah. I said you're the type of kid. Yeah. I said you're the type of kid. I feel your soul embrace my counterpoint. I do. Trip, I lose my mind when I'm loving you. I'm the type of woman that gets glued to booze. I shook up by your side and then I'm on the move. But you can hold my hand if you hold it tight. You can be my man if you free my mind. I just wanna know you, what you wanna do. You the type of cat to get me in the mood, yeah. Hey. I said you're the type of cat. I said you're the type of kid. I said you're the type of kid. Boy, 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 yeah, yeah. I said you're the type of. No, yeah. I said you're the type of kid. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I said you're the type of kid.
When I think about the sound, I see it. Taamaki sounds like it's like a huge ecosystem, and everyone's just moving in ways that they know and they can understand and they have capacity for. But I see it like a tree, and like we're all like blossoms on the tree, and bees are just like releasing music and like cross-pollinating each other. Like YGB was popping, we had Razor Beezer, Mellow Downs, and Manu, Eno, and like we all like met each other in this one place. And it's such a beautiful thing because we were all just telling our own stories to each other. And through that, we created a community, and we were able to be a part of other people's lives as audience members and as human beings. And it's just such a beautiful thing.
Caught in between my blues and your green. Your need to be seen, I need to be loved. I don't even want all that stuff. It's just what you think that I want. And just when you think that you got what you need, then it's gone. I just need to be heard. But you don't understand what a word is worth. You be talking that you don't wanna spend no time with me. Ain't it funny? Now you wanna buy my car. you ain't never talk to me. All you do is bore me, love, ayy. Talk it up, but baby, you know talk is cheap. You can't afford this love, ayy. And I spend all of my time believing all of your lies. Thought I'd spend all of my life with you, but I can't afford to be crying no more, baby. I've been broke. And you think you rich, boy, yeah, yeah, but you all alone now, honey. Hey. You be talking that, hey. You don't wanna spend no time with me. Ain't it funny? Now you wanna buy my company. You can't afford this love. You were never man enough. All you do is talk too much, yeah. But you ain't never talk to me. All you do is bore me, love, ayy. Talk it up, but baby, you know talk is cheap. You can't afford this love, yeah. You can't afford this love, yeah. You can't afford this love, yeah, yeah. You don't listen to me, I am headstrong. Your pockets ain't deep and I can't afford to do this again. Been stacking my bills, I do this for me. Ay, you don't listen to me, I am headstrong. Your pockets ain't deep and I can't afford to do this again. Been stacking my bills, I do this for me. Ay. You can't afford this love, yeah, yeah. Ay, ay, ay. You can't afford this love, yeah.
Everybody's striving to be better, striving to conquer their intention, to conquer their goal or whatever. As artists, we've been so hardwired to be so outcome focused. And if there's anything that I've learned in my studies in creative arts therapy, it's just that the process is everything. And if you are not finding joy in the process or that sparkle, I don't know how else to put it, but that sparkle that you get when you're writing and you're immersed in the creative process, if that is not happening for you and you're just thinking about the end product, then, oh man, you know, you've got to be in the process and you've got to relish and flourish in the process. And if you can, wholeheartedly, the outcome will just, it will be and it will become what it's meant to.
Damn, I've been thinking I need a break. This time last night I tried to do right by you and focus on my love, my touch, do right by us. Damn, I've been thinking I need some time to get it right in my head. Rewind my shit, start making my own bed. Oh yeah. Sugar, meet me in the middle, meet me halfway. I can't wait. Sugar, meet me in the middle, meet me halfway. I can't wait, cause you know the way I like it, know the way I move it, knowing that you like it when I'm doing what I do. Ay. And meet me in the middle, meet me halfway. Ay. Listen, I ain't a mind free to speak your truth. Ay. I'm adamant we will see this through. Compromise sugar's what I like, but my needs ain't met. Sugar, don't make me choose. Maybe you need some time, I could leave you be. If I ain't what you want, please excuse my insecurity. Overwhelms me, I'm an ordinary girl. Won't you step into my world? And beat me in the middle, meet me halfway. I can't wait, sugar. Meet me in the middle, meet me halfway. I can't wait, cause you know the way I like it. Know the way I move, knowing that you like it when I'm doing what I do. And meet me in the middle, meet me halfway. Halfway, no. Step into my room, I need you loving on the regular. My passion ain't confused, just thought you wouldn't mind a better half. Sugar, and meet me in the middle, meet me halfway. Sugar, I can't wait, no. Meet me in the middle, meet me halfway. I can't wait, sugar. Meet me in the middle, meet me halfway. I can't wait, cause you know the way I like it. The way you move, yeah. Sugar, halfway, sugar. Meet me in the middle, meet me halfway. I can't wait, sugar. Meet me in the middle, meet me halfway. I can't wait, cause you know the way I like it. Know the way I move, knowing that you like it when I'm doing what I do. Meet me in the middle, meet me halfway, halfway,
The younger version of me would have had all these ideas of what it's going to be like and what it could sound like. But as the more I grow, the less I know and the less I want to assume about stuff because I just don't know. It's like out of my hands and I love that. That's the thing that was like, what else can I do with these gifts? How else can I advocate for my community? How else can I be of service? Dig deeper, because you can be very useful and very helpful to someone that is emerging. My offering to an emerging artist would be to find the joy in exploration, find the joy in being curious, find the joy in getting it wrong all the time, find the joy in trying to not be perfect and to have your vocal stacks perfect all the time and your riffs on your get in perfection. It's like, find the joy in being a human being. That's what I would say to them.